everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day and feeling energized. Before we hit the gas on today's lesson, I want to make sure you've all thoroughly reviewed the previous material on the between operator. It's a key building block for everything we're doing. Today, we're going to talk about making our results look professional and readable. Buckle up because we're diving into SQL aliases. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the AS keyword to rename columns and tables, making our queries much easier to read and maintain. An alias is essentially a nickname you give a column or table using the AS keyword. It only exists for the duration of that specific query, and it's perfect for making those long, cryptic column names actually readable for your reports. For example, if we want to shorten our results, we can write select customer ID as ID and customer name as customer from the customers table. It's that simple to clean up your output. Now, if you want your alias to include spaces, like migrate products, you just need to surround it with square brackets or double quotes. This tells SQL to treat the whole phrase as a single name. In PyCharm, it looks like this. Select product name as, then in square brackets, migrate products from the products table. This gives you a professional header in your results. The same logic applies to tables. While it might seem small now, table aliases are absolute lifesavers when you're joining multiple tables together. They keep your code short and much easier to follow. Look how much cleaner this join is. By using C for customers and O for orders, our query becomes concise. Select C.customer_name and O.order_ID from customers as C, join orders as O. Ready to try it yourself? Open PyCharm right now. I want you to select the product name from the products table, but give it an alias of item. Go ahead, you have 10 seconds. And here is your solution. Select product name as item from the products table. If you got that right, you're officially mastering SQL aliases. Fantastic work today, class. Keep practicing at home. Revisit those previous chapters if you need a refresher. Next up, we're tackling the big one. SQL joins. You won't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, visit our official site at qaonlineacademy.com, and leave your feedback. I'm so proud of your progress. See you in the next lesson.